Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good people of Biafra. Good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm going to take everybody in a quick walk. I'm going to take you in a quick ride. So I want to show you the reason why today's topic is going to be the reason why we have to fight for our freedom. Some of you may be saying, which building are this that you are showing? This building you are seeing here is hospital building. You see that? Hospital building. Why I'm making this video is because when I tell some people that here in abroad, when you pay tax, you will know where your tax money goes. That is why your governors, your president, your senators, call them whatever name you call them, that is your leaders who say that they are taking care, they are in charge of you. Have you ever asked these people for one day, where is all this your tax money going? Like here in abroad, we are not saying that yes, that everything is okay. No, it's not that it's okay. But you know that 70%, we know 70% where the tax money is going. Look at the road. Just look at the road. These are the bus, these are transport, this one is transport, this one are transport. Anywhere you are going, you have good road, you have everything. Now let's go to a walk. Let's go inside the hospital now we are going to go to hospital. Why I'm making this video today is because of we are going inside hospital today. So that's why, but I just want you guys to see the building, all Biafra. This is the reason why we have to fight for our freedom. This is why Mazi Simon Ekpa is where he is today. This is why our leader Mazi Nanduku Kano is where he is today, because of he want the good for you. He don't want our men, our children and our women to die. You see the building? These are all the building here. These are all the buildings. See how big the building is. Now we are going inside. Now we are going inside the hospital now. This is inside the hospital. Just we are in a walk. These are the ambulances. All these are ambulances. So now, but you can't really do video here. But we are going to be doing this video. We are not going to be talking so loud. We are going to be doing it in a secret way. So because it's not allowed to do videos here. Now this is the entrance. Okay, this is inside the hospital. This is entrance now. Here now is where they call this side here is where they call the urgent care. This side is the urgent care. Like when this department work from Monday to Sunday, work every day. When you have urgent something, you come to this side. You come this way. This side you have everything you needed here. This one is for urgent. Like when you have urgent, then call it urgencia in this area, in Spain, in Spanish. Here now, this area is kid station. It's still an urgent side too. Like for our kid, not our women to have. We have kid. Our children are dying for nothing sake. Our women are dying because of the reason of where to give birth. They don't have where to give birth. We don't have good hospital. We don't have good all this. And these are the things that our governors, our senators are denying all of you people. These people you call senators and your governor. Religious leaders call them. You see all that. These are the children's station. Now, if you want to have like a card now, you come here. This is where they give card. Here now you give card, because you can't really make the video very like here now. For you to come here now, you have to have what they call address for you to have to come to this hospital, because it's free. This is where your tax money goes. Then you will have a card, what they call hospital card. In that hospital card, you can use it to access any hospital around here in Spain. It's called hospital card. So okay, you now ask me, how do you get the hospital card? Just only your address. You have to have address where you are living so that you can have the hospital card. Without that, like here now is another station, like where they are doing like X-ray, like if you have something like bone issues, so you can come. Creo que está arriba. This one is another station. Sí, hay una aquí. Here is another station, like when you have something like so urgent, when you have urgent something like people that want to do operation. I'm sorry because of that man was distracting me. Here is like some big x-rays that you will come these areas, to make some big x-rays, here. This side, this is where you will do x-ray. Like if there is something that they need to take you to the machine. These are the things that your governors, your senators are running to abroad, stealing your money. They want to come to abroad and have a very good care. Here is different. You see here now, it's another place because it's not allowed to make videos. So let me go out from here. All these doors you are seeing are different doctors who are doing different jobs. You see them, you walk down there, is the same. So let me take you people to another place. This is the reason why you see the people you call your president, governors, senators, all of them run to abroad because they want something good, but they don't want to provide that thing that is good for you. This is the reason why you have to fight for your freedom by all costs, so that you have easy access to hospital. Not when you have injuries, you know that your name will be sorry. No, you don't need that kind of life because of you pay money. This government, all these things. Now ask me to provide something like this, what will it take? It's not gonna take anything. Now we are climbing up. Here now is another station of the hospital. Here now is the upstairs. Here now is another place. They are doing like different things here. This side is on a different side. Here now is another different area. We climb the upstairs. Like here now, when you come with your hospital card, then we give you a hospital card. When you come with your hospital card, you come up here. You understand? You come up here now. You come here, you take number. So you take a number here. You just need to do what? You just take a number here. When you take number, but I'm not going to visit anybody, but here now, this is what they call the card here. This is the card, the hospital card. You just need to have it with your, you just need to have address for you to have that hospital card. So now, here now is another different side. It's not allowed to make videos, so that's why I'm doing what here now is another side, like for adults. Here now is for adults. Every adult, look at hospital. Do you have something like this in your country? This is why we have to hold these people. We need freedom by all means, so that you have easy facility. This is why our leader, Mazen Nandekano, this is why our leader, Mazen Simon Ekpa Njoku, this is what they are looking for. This is what they are asking for. Have good hospital. Have good road. Is it something bad to ask for? This outside hospital. You come here, all these doors you are seeing is different doctors, All here you are seeing, when you come, you are waiting for your doctor, you have chair here. You can wait for your doctor here. Like here now, this is different rooms. This is doctor. Like this way now, you see all these doors are different doctors, around. You see how patients are sitting down, waiting patiently. Our old men and women waiting here. This is hospital. It's not that when you come to hospital you have to pay. They ask you to bring millions. This is where your tax money go. When you talk about your tax money, so you can know where exactly that your tax money is going to. Not when you ask them, they will be telling you how this, that, and this is why you see to every time you'll be running up and down. All of them are going to hospital. You see all the doors here, all these doors you are seeing here are all doctors. All of them are doctors that do different things, that have different things that they are doing, all of them are all doctors. You see how people are sitting down waiting for their doctor without no issues. Like here now, you can see here there is chairs, there is space, there is chair, there is space. So that is why you need what we you infrastructures. When you have infrastructures, you have good hospitals. Look at, nobody will die here. That is why 24 hours working. Did you see anybody here? Like when you come now, you have an appointment, you sit down here. You sit down here. Sorry, because it's not allowed to make video. You sit down here and wait for your doctor. Here now, let me take you people to another different side. You understand? We are still in the hospital. This is another station of the hospital. You see a different side. All here you are seeing everybody is here now waiting for his doctor. When his doctor come now, then go in. You understand? What do you need? It's only your address and the hospital card. anywhere you are within here, you understand? So you can be able to go to hospital within Spain here, because this video is coming direct from Spain, Barcelona, you know. So you can be able to go. All these doctors you are saying are different doctors. They are different doctors. This is why you see your politician then run away, then take your money, then run away. Your taxpayer money, then will take it and run away. All these places you see is hospitals. So when they take your taxpayer money, then run away, then go and do. That is why you live in a country that is corrupt. That is a very heavy corruption is going on there. You know, you see all these things, all these doctors you are saying are all doctors. You see how people, old men, women, children, everybody, when you come here, you sit down quietly, you wait, your turn, you go in. No paying, you are not going to be like, bring money and pay this. No, because of this is your tax money. This is where your tax money goes. You check on the screen there. These are the names of the doctors who are on the duty today. You know, this is what they call the reception station. You come here, you meet them at the reception. You know, what do you need? Now, it's only this card now. This is like the resident and the card. But here now, it's not a must that you have a resident. You can do it with your passport once you have address, you know, where you can do it. You know, so that is why I bring this video for you people to know the reason why we have more. You know, I don't know if I can keep going on, because I don't want the video to be more longer than this, because we still go up, you still go up, you still have different session here. We are only on the first floor. The floor is up to like up to 11th floor. Remember, we're on the 4th floor because we can't do all the whole video. This is the 2nd floor now. Here is 2nd floor. You see the same thing you saw in the 1st floor, but here now is for different things and different, you know. Each floor is the same things you'll be seeing. You'll be seeing like here now. You see the different here now. You know, this one is another section also of the hospital, 2nd floor of the hospital. You see that. At least when you ask government, you see where your money is going. At least you see how different this one is too. You have different places. This is like a section B. We are coming from section A. This is now B. Like that, we can walk up. We can go up to upstairs. You just need to. When you come here, you can come here and make directly. This is machine now. You can come here now and make your appointment directly here to your doctor that you want to see. You know, so here now you see that this is the 2nd floor. We can still keep going and keep going and keep going, but I just want to give you a little bit of it for you to know, you know, that you have to hold your governors, whoever, everybody, you have to hold them to responsible, because of what you need. What you need is good. You need structures. You need good road. You need hospital, just like what I take you to. You need hospital. You need something good. Not only your governors, your president, when they are sick, then we run to France, then we run to everywhere. This is what you people need. Because why I do this video? Because sometimes I will be telling our people that here, nobody pay for hospital. It's your tax money. You understand? They used to maintain the hospital. You go here now, doctor will see you and give you medical report, and if it's something that you need to get some medicine to take for yourself, the doctor will give you medicine recommendations that you are going to take. Because if I have I need the refer. So, but these are the things that our prime minister is crying for. These are the things that Mazen Nandi Ukukane is crying for. Did you see how everything You go to hospital, nobody, you can't come here now, you say that somebody died because of sickness or because of, then could, no, this hospital I'm showing you people is just small one. In this area alone, in this zone, they have like, there is another hospital up there. There's another one. They have different hospitals. You have hospital in each area that you are staying. You see how road is good. You see how everything. You have structures. You have good road. Nowhere, not you be having potholes everywhere. That is why you see your governor, bunch of criminals. Then we come here and take medical treatment in abroad. Then we brought to their children to abroad. This is why the reason why. That is why I say let me just give you people a little bit. You see good road, everywhere is good. There is nothing disturbing. Nice road, everything is functioning quite all right. You see how big the hospital is. So tomorrow, so you know that these are the things that what your tax money is doing. Is building good road, is building good hospital, is giving you what you need. At least you have easy transport. Not this one you'll be shouting, oh should everywhere. Here now, I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to, like here now, all these things you are seeing here, where you throw your garbage, you know, you throw your dirty inside all these things, you open, you throw, not to be throwing it everywhere. Look at this one. All these things is when a society is a good society, you know, you'll be having something good. Governors or president or what do you call them? All of them, senators, his also criminals, corruption. Here now is a bus station. You check, where are you going? You say, oh, I'm going so place. You check your bus here. You check the time. You see the time. You check the number. If it's not here, you have another place as well. You have other places. It depends on the direction where you are going. Because I'll be doing this video very fast because I don't want this video to be very long. But I just want to brief you why important it is that we need freedom. Because of if you have all these things, as ndị Igbo trinu so onwere onye ife ọma nsọ unu gwa m onwere onye ife ọma na-agba afọ, onwere onye araghịrị shuga n'ọnụ ya gbufuo ya. Enwe ife ndụ like this na ala Igbo, nwee ife ndụ like this na ala Biafra, nwanne mmadụ onwere ife gbakene m, ọ bụghị abịa dust aja ekpugbuche ndị mmadụ asị na na-eme rubbish, you know. Ide anya kịta na here now, this is metro. Ịbanye here na ebe a bụ metro. This is metro. If I not metro underground train too. Ibanye here now. You check it. Ibanye. You know. Here now. This is metro. I'm sure I'm mad about that here. But tomorrow I have a guy anywhere. But just come go do inside ground. Now. About that here. If I not metro here now. About that here now. All these things are different. And you need. If I be need in a Igbo, if I be need in a Biafra, if I know underground metro na here. Yambo no one nam na po apoketa so me sheba. Irute ba na. E gar rute ba na. If I baby get sheba by your metro. Irute and me as quick as possible. E ba metro, e be ba na. Yambo ni jiho card now. You don't have card. If you ever need go card, you need maybe as well. If I go card, they will go on the machine. Me mark case may operate. If you ever this woman on the counter help work. If you ever now you can slot your card from here, or you can clock it from up here on top. I don't know. Here you can slot it from here, or you can clock it from here. The door will open. You just go. You check your direction where you are going. You move. You go down inside the metro. Because if I'm not going inside the metro, that's why I'm doing this. I just want to show you a little bit. One day we have time to show you people a very long video of how things are supposed to be. The reason why we need to fight for freedom at all costs. We need freedom. Because of seeing all this good environment, asị na anya na ife mgbara ife ndị mma na anya agbara akwụkwọ kpotu ndị Igbo nsiwe anyị fụcha ife ndị mma. This is what Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mfụcha mana na ndị a ịkpọrọ your governor, senators, all of them, call them religious leaders. Ndị ohi Chineke ngekpo ọkụ. Look at ife ndị a bụ ife kwesịrị ịrụrụ. These are the things you kwesịrị m apụta ọkpọta m outside the metro now. Now I'm on outside. Apụtara m outside the ground. Now I'm not going up again. You see? It falls on. Look at. Look at. In an environment like this, what will happen? In a good environment like this, this is why we are crying for freedom. Nothing more, nothing less. So when somebody asks you tomorrow, why do people need freedom? You tell him that this is why we need freedom. We need something like this. We need good road. We need good hospital. Where our mothers will not go and die. Where our children will not die no more. Where you don't have a little bit accident or you have a little bit problem, they ask you to go and bring 1 billion. You know? So thank you so much, everybody. Thank you. Thank you from everybody. Thank you from where you are receiving this video from. I say may God bless you, every one of you, as you are receiving this video. God bless you, bless every one of you. and watch this video. Tell me what is your opinion, what do you think in the comment section, and like the video, and turn up your notification button, and join us on all our platforms. I say may God bless you. From me, from here is good evening.